we're going to work through two other strategies for problem solving, which are making a diagram and also working backward. So first, making a diagram. We have an elevator that stopped at the middle of a building. It then moved up 4 floors, stopped. Moved down 6 floors, stopped. Then moved up 10 floors and stopped. Elevator is now 3 floors from the top floor. How many floors does the building have? Whoa, a lot of information. One of the first things that I notice in the first sentence is the word middle. It says the middle of the building. So that's something really important to keep in mind. So again, I'm trying to draw a picture that helps me visualize what's going on here. So I have my building. And so what it's saying is in the middle of the building, that's right here, that's where I'm starting. And so it says we move up 4 floors. So we're going to go, there's 1 floor, 2 floor, 3, and 4. So we're up at 4 floors above there. Then it says we move down 6 floors. So let's see, if we're going to go down 6, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's going down 6. So now that's where I'm at. Then it says we need to move back up 10 floors. So let's follow the floors that I already drew. So there's 1 floor, there's 2, there's 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to go up. Here's 7, 8, 9, and 10. And stop. Now it says the elevator is now 3 floors from the bottom, so there's still 3 more floors. So let's see, 1, 2, and 3. Squeeze them in there. So let's see how many floors there really are from the middle up. So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we have 11 floors up that way. So if this is really the middle, then that means that there's going to have to be, if there's 11 floors here, there has to be 11 floors here. Plus we have the actual middle floor. So that's 1 floor. So all together, there are going to be 23 floors to this building. Now again, you might have drawn this differently. It depends on how you're kind of thinking of things, but no matter what, our answer here would be that there are 23 floors in this building. Okay, we're going to move on to the next one, which is working backwards. So we have on Monday, Sally withdrew half her money from the bank. On Tuesday, she withdrew $3,000. On Wednesday, she withdrew half of her remaining money. She had that $7,000 left. How much money did she have in her bank account on Monday? So the reason why you want to work backwards is because it tells me right now that I have this $7,000 left. So I know I have $7,000. That's kind of my ending amount. So it wants to know how much did I actually have on Monday? Like, I don't know. That's from the beginning part of the day. So let's think about what happened. She withdrew half of her money from the bank. So, I mean, I don't know how much money that she had, but I know that half of it was gone. And then on Tuesday, so maybe I'll write a little note. So she withdrew half of that. On Tuesday, she took out more money. She took out $3,000, so she minus $3,000. And then on Wednesday, she took half of that money. So if she has $7,000 left, let's think about, she took half of whatever amount she had, and half of that is $7,000. So if we want to go backwards, we're going to have to take the $7,000 and double it. So then we'll know how much money she actually had on Tuesday. So we're going to take our actual ending amount and kind of do the opposite operation. We're going to double it to get it back, and that will be that $14,000. And then she had taken $3,000 from whatever the previous amount was, so let's add the $3,000 back in. So then that's going to be a total of $17,000. So then that's back to the Monday. And it says she withdrew half of what she had in the bank at that time. So again, we're going to take that $17,000 and we'll double that to kind of undo that taking half. And we're left with $34,000. So that means that on Monday, she had actually started with $34,000. Now, if I want to just kind of verify that that is true, kind of looking back, I would say, okay, so she had $34,000, kind of reading back the words of the problem, on Monday. And so it says she withdrew half of that. So that means she minused half of 34,000, which is really going to be taking away $17,000. So we're left with $17,000. Then it says on Tuesday, she took out $3,000. That's a lot of money going on here. $14,000. And then it says that she took half of that out. So she's going to take half of that $14,000. Really, that's the $7,000, which means she is back to that $7,000 to start. So it makes sense back in the words of the original problem.